Apple TV not working on your own device? You're not alone. Let's walk through some quick and effective fixes to get your streaming back on track. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to hub for tech fixes and smart solutions. Today, we are going to show you what to do when Apple TV is not working properly on streaming devices. Let's dive straight into the troubleshooting. Method 1. Free up device storage. Low storage can cause Apple TV to lag, crash, or fail to load. Here is how to clean things up. Go to Settings, then System, then Storage. Remove unused apps and files. Freeing up space can help Apple TV run more smoothly. Method 2. Clear Apple TV app cache. Corrupted cache files can block Apple TV from launching or streaming. Here is how to reset it. Go to Settings, then select Apps, then See All Apps. Select Apple TV, tap Force Stop, then Clear Cache. Here we are showing the methods with this app. The steps are the same for Apple TV. Reboot your own device and relaunch the app. Method 3. Reinstall Apple TV app. A fresh install can fix broken files or incomplete updates. Go to Settings, then Apps, then See All Apps. Select Apple TV, tap Uninstall. Here we are showing the steps with this app. The method is same for the Apple TV. Reinstall the app from the Play Store. Launch and test again. Method 4. Check your internet connection. Apple TV needs a stable internet connection to stream content. Go to Settings, then Network and Internet. Confirm you are connected to the Wi-Fi network correctly. Test your speed at speedtest.net. Restart your router or modem if needed. Method 5. Update on system software. Outdated firmware can cause compatibility issues with Apple TV. To fix it, go to Settings, then System, then select About, then System Update. Download and install any available update. Restart your own device and test Apple TV again. Method 6. Disable VPN or proxy. VPNs and proxies can interfere with Apple TV's regional access. Turn off any VPN or proxy services. Restart your own device. Try launching Apple TV again. Method 7. Perform a factory reset. If nothing else works, a factory reset may help. Go to Settings, then select System, then About, then Factory Reset. Follow the on-screen instructions. Reinstall Apple TV and test again. Method 8. Contact support. Still stuck? Reach out for help. Visit the Apple TV support page or on customer service. They can help diagnose deeper issues or offer replacement options. And that's a wrap. Apple TV should be working smoothly on your own device now. If this guide helped, give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Still facing issues or have a tip to share? Drop a comment below. We are here to help. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.